Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 owners, a word of advice. Please install Google Camera mode on your phone. Not only it delivers better photos in every lighting situation you can think of, but in my testing it even gives the original Pixel 3 a run of its money. More on that note in a future video, but for now let's see how well this modded camera app performs on the Xiaomi flagship. Low-light selfies on the Xiaomi have a big ace up to its sleeve, the selfie LED flash. But Google Camera can take night side selfies, which are just as good but with a better exposure on the background, and it even can deliver very good selfie portraits. Xiaomi stock camera selfie portraits in low light are barely usable. Also, portrait modes with back camera in low light are again unusable on the Xiaomi stock camera app because it uses the telephoto sensor, with a much smaller aperture. Google Camera relies only on its software. Portraits are a breeze. Also, both the normal and night side photos of the Google Camera are better exposed and have sharper details. From now on we have regular back camera photos with both apps, each in standard and their respective night modes. We start with almost pitch black conditions, moving up to better lit situations. But as you will see, no matter the lighting condition, every photo in low light delivered by Google Camera has a better exposure, better detail rendition, and night side delivers very good colors and white balance for a low light photo. Xiaomi stock camera is not bad by any means, but it's a shame it can't take advantage of the full low light power of the Mi Mix 3 camera sensor. I will shut up now, let you enjoy the music and photo samples I prepared for you, and stay tuned to hear my overall impression for daylight photos later in this video. So here we are, daylight shots. Both cameras can do portrait selfies and both are pretty outstanding. Great sharpness and details, great colors, but Pixel camera slightly bumps up the contrast and gives the illusion of better textures here. Moving on the back camera portraits, this photo was taken indoor but in very good natural light. The Mi Mix camera using the telephoto lens still wasn't able to gather enough light to produce the best photo, but the Pixel 3 camera did just that. It delivered the perfect portrait, perfect exposure, colors and details. So what about the regular photos with the back camera? Well, Xiaomi camera app on the Mi Mix 3, to my surprise, delivers very good photos. So good that it wouldn't be too much to say that it's even as good as the big boys from Apple, Samsung or Huawei. And the Pixel camera installed on the Mi Mix 3 takes things even further, bringing a noticeable bump in detail. Sometimes it's slightly underexposing shadow areas, but that is a trade-off with more contrasty photos. Dynamic range and colors are again very good on both camera apps. So what's my overall conclusion? Is it worth it installing the Google Camera mode on the Mi Mix 3? Definitely. This phone from Xiaomi already impressed me with its stock camera, delivering top tier performance much above its price range. And Google Camera installed on it makes everything even better, especially in low light. Can't wait to compare the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 with its direct competitor, the OnePlus 6T. But I have a feeling that it would even give phones like Pixel 3, iPhone XS or Huawei Mate 20 Pro a hard time to justify their prices, at least considering camera performance. And I will do all those tests, but until then, enjoy the rest of this video. This is Pixel Peepers, signing out.